Hi everybody, welcome back. In this episode, I'll be making the box that I referenced in the previous episode. Before I make that box, I'm going to go over a few basic things about CAD so that you better understand what we're doing. First of all, in this top corner, you can see that you can reorient your view of the part or the sketch that you're working on. This can be super helpful. It can help you find your way, and you'll be using it a lot in the future, and it becomes kind of intuitive. It's not very difficult to pick up, but it's very useful. Also, keep in mind that you have two different workspaces. You have a 3D and a 2D workspace. To make any 3D part, you need to start with a 2D sketch. Now let's define what we actually want to do. For the sake of the video, let's just say we want to make a 5" by 3" by 10" rectangular prism. Okay, so what I can do is I can go to Sketch to make this 2D sketch. And now I can click on a plane to work with. And you see that up here we've now moved into the 2D workspace. I'm going to choose the rectangle, and I'm going to choose the front face. So this is directly aligned with the plane that we're working with. So it's not something weird where the sketch is on this axis and we're moving in the other axis. So just on this axis, we're going to make a rectangle. Doesn't really matter what we do right there, but we now have a rectangle. Now right click and press Escape Rectangle. Now go up here to the Dimension tool, and you're going to click on a side. Let's make this the 5" side. 5, enter. Now, another way that you can dimension is between points. So I'm going to define this by this point to this point being 3 inches. So now we have a 5 by 3" rectangle. I can click the green check mark, and that moves us out of the 2D sketch. Now we're in the 3D workflow yet again. So we can extrude now. Extruding basically takes your 2D sketch and makes it 3D. You'll use different tools such as revolve, especially a lot of revolve when you're working with things that are circular. But for now, extrusions are very common and you'll use them all the time. So you can, in this extrusion menu, choose which direction you want to extrude, forwards or backwards. I'll just choose this for the sake of what we're doing. It doesn't really matter, but then I'll make it 10 inches long. So in this depth, I'm putting 10, and inches is the default unit for now. So that's going to be, yes, that scared me for a second. Yep, so we have 5 inches here, 3 inches in the height, and then 10 inches in the depth. Now you have this rectangular prism that is as we intended to do at the start of the video, and now you can do as you wish with it. Thank you for watching.